brought you some work. I mean, you've already got work to be doing. And
did you sandblast these?
Hang on, I can't think with Alex in the background fucking
taking the trash. What is that?
You're not supposed to put the whole trash can in the bag, bro. Yeah, so I had them sandblasted.
You should have just brought them. I would have just thrown it in the chemical stripper.
Ah, well, I don't think I can put this in the chemical stripper.
Put fucking wheels in the chemical stripper.
Yeah, but this is different. This is a turbo.
It doesn't do nothing.
I don't know, bro. Well, thanks for letting me know.
Can I weld this out?
No.
No, weld it so we can fade it out.
No, because then I'm gonna have to do body work. I don't want to do body work.
No, I'll weld it and then always sand it straight when it's done. You don't see nothing.
No, it's too much work. Yeah, I forgot to take the fittings off. And they
so dumb.
They sandblasted right past the fittings.
You haven't asked me where the rat rod's at.
We'll get to that in a minute. We'll have to go look at it and see its current state.
It's not here.
It's not here?
No, sir.
Where is it?
Can't tell you.
Oh God.
I bought it at Tesla.
I've got to get these things as smooth as possible, so I figured best person to help me get these smooth is the one person who gets these wheels smooth and has the facility to do this with, right?
But you're not allowed. You got to pay. You're like $100 an hour because I don't like you.
What? Why?
Alex, what are we charging the Bullet an hour?
$80 Leroy.
God, dude, you went down.
$80 an hour?
Yeah, man.
All right.
No discount.
All right, that's fine. So, no discount. Okay, that's cool.
No discount. Like Warren over here said, no discount.
So just let me know what the total is, and then I'll let you know what the drag racing consulting fee was for that I'm gonna set in the mail for. Okay. Yeah, it'll be $500 more than what you're charging me. I'll tell you that right now. So can you take a look at these, please? Can you take a look at these?
What are we trying to do here?
What I'm really wanting to do is we're gonna paint them. But in order to paint them, I got to get them as smooth as possible because I don't want to.
You don't want the texture.
Right.
Okay.
So what can I use? What's the best thing to use to get these knocked down?
Come on.
That's really why I came over here, just to get free labor.
Yeah, I could tell.
You don't like helping your friend or what?
No.
We're not friends anymore?
Zero.
You moved to the country. I had to drive all the way out here to Austin, Texas, just to fucking come see you. Those hands are still as rough as I last saw them, though. So if you too want nice, polished, smooth turbos, make sure you hit up Andy, Arsetic 36 buttons.
That's exactly what I did not say.
Hit him up on Instagram, Piston Heads Wheel Repair.
Piston Heads
also,
Garage.
Piston Heads Garage. Also, he does this kind of work for free.
He loves doing it.
Because he loves it. He'd be more than happy to take on your job.
I specifically said, if anybody calls me, I'm going to tell them to fuck off.
No amount of turbos is too small. Dude, that smoothed it out pretty good.
No, wait. It's
That was
like not even close.
That was like 1,000 hand stands right there in 2 minutes.
Bring it. Just a little glimpse of what it could be.
Okay.
It looks so good. Is it raining again?
Probably. You know what this would, I'm not gonna polish my turbo.
No, I know,
But you know what that would look good on?
so here's the thing. A lot of polishers, they can get it smoother where they take off all the little scratches, but you can never get 100% scratch free. This is where you put in that tumbler, and the tumbler takes off all those scratches. It just becomes a mirror at that point.
No way. No way. Pretty cool, by the way.
Look what it does to metal.
What does it
This is
look
what
like?
it's supposed to be like this.
That's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. What it looks like after. Yeah, but we can't
No,
put it in there because it won't. It'll polish the inside, and that'll cause issues.
No.
Yeah, well,
It has no sanding particles to it. It has no sanding to it.
I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to polish the inside of a turbo. I
Don't
could be
listen
wrong.
to people. You can polish these.
Who said?
A wheel polisher guy.
Huh?
A wheel polisher said.
You can't polish. That's where.
No,
that's,
you can. It won't affect nothing.
What do you mean
This
it
has
won't
no-
affect that? Of course it
It
will.
doesn't-
Right?
This doesn't have no. It doesn't sand anything. All it does is polish. You get them to this point,
And then you stick them in the
and
tumbler.
you stick them in there for a couple hours. Comes out
shit.
like a miracle. So before you do that, you gotta.
All right, now I got a half polished turbo. Okay. That came out pretty smooth though, dude. That's like
It's
really
so
smooth. That was
I mean,
not
but that would take us hours to do.
yeah.
Like I have a Dremel tool that it would
I
get
think
in all in
man,
here.
I really think we should try to
Well, like I told you.
no, polish my downpipes. I'm really like
That would be easy.
what if we just like let's just try and see what the downpipes look like polished.
Here's one thing I would tell you.
What?
Let me do this. And next month, I'll have my equipment and I'll do 14 karat gold turbo housings. And no, I'm not doing it for other people. I don't care how much you pay me. I'm still not doing it. Because it's so much work and people don't want to pay for what it is.
That I might be okay with.
It would look so nice. Because you get your reflection, and that's how you get the reflection of 14 karat gold.
We'll touch base on that next month.
Alex, didn't we do your wheels 14 karat? This is my baby right here.
Is it?
I just bought it. It's a 2021.
Doesn't look like you just bought it, and definitely doesn't look like it's your baby. Number one, that fucking flat ass tire right there. God knows how long that thing's been sitting like that. It's probably
The door closes like a refrigerator. Nice and smooth.
so
Actually, I got a bunch of shit going on with it.
you don't have anything going on.
Actually,
with it.
I'm building a motor. No joke. It's a
For this,
Yeah.
you're gonna need more than a motor.
I got the trans over there. Trans by Josh. I did what I wanted to do with this truck, and it's done.
Well, what was that?
Run my 8-second pass, and I surpassed that.
Well,
by-
I think.
Well, my first goal was 11. I crushed that like 6 months later with a T56 that's like Viper Red, and then we.
bunch of changes after that.
Yeah, we did a bunch. I think it was like after.
Power glide. The
Yeah, we
turbos,
did a
the
power
whole
glide,
nine.
2-step. No. Then we went turbo when you went up with upgraded with your turbos. And I said all I want to do is run my 8-second pass. And once I hit an 8, I wanted to run a 7. And I think the fastest was an 830 at 166 or 67. So we got some changes coming.
You did a lot of changes already. It's missing
Yes.
everything in the front. Doesn't even look like
We
a
got a
rat rod.
sister. We got a sister in the brewing. I don't know if anybody's seen my Instagram. We got a sister. No. Honestly, on the bullshit side, we actually are building. We're gonna go naturally aspirated with zoomies.
on this truck.
Yep.
Okay.
And it's gonna be a T56. I wanted
You promise you're gonna revive it?
100%. By the end of the year, we'll have it running.
the end of the year. By the end of the year, you're gonna have your other truck running, not this one.
That truck's gonna be running within like 60 days.
Let's see.
August 17th, we're gonna fire it up. That's my birthday.
Oh, really?
August 17th. It's not gonna be painted, it's not gonna be pretty, but as soon as it runs, I'm gonna post a video. We're gonna go live. We're gonna fly to Tennessee, me and you.
Destroyed a perfectly good 8-second.
I wouldn't say perfect because this motherfucker was crazy.
Well, it was perfectly good. It was running.
perfectly
and fucking running fast. So you just got a wild hair up your ass and pulled every single part out of this, bought a new truck and stuffed it into that.
Yeah, this truck is gonna be ridiculous. The truck that I'm building is not gonna be anything close to this. And I don't know if anybody's seen my Instagram, but they got a clue of what it is.
But we'll find that out later on.
Can you edit that out?
No, I'm gonna leave it in. Anyways, if you want to see more of this truck and the new truck, make sure you follow Arsenic36 right here. You're gonna have to change your Instagram name because you're no longer Arsenic since you're basically decommissioned the RATROD.
That's very true. Can I have my shift light back?
But I'm gonna say before we end the video that I brought the RATROD into this world. I gave it birth and I took it out as well. Last pass was against me, and
It broke. You
I
fucking
put that
cocksucker.
I put that nail in the coffin and said, R.I.P.
Take that shit off.
You
The
bullshit
next
around.
video is gonna be in Tennessee.
Yeah, the next update for the Arsenic 36 is gonna be in
Or should we?
Tennessee.
Can we just say Arsenic 2.0?
No, you can't call it Arsenic. Why would you call it Arsenic? It makes no sense.
Because I want to. Does it make sense making a fucking 1,000
Yes,
horsepower
it's
rat
a rat rod. That's why its name is Arsenic. The new truck has to have a new name. It's just what it is. Leave a comment if you feel the
Come
same.
on with some names,
You
son.
can't use the original name from this truck onto the new truck. That's not how it works. The name, we've discussed this before. The name stays with the car no matter who owns it, right?
That's true.
So it is what it
Shout out
is.
to Mike. 240C.
Yeah,
Mean
me
Z.
too. All right, so that's it for now. What's my end line? You gonna say it, or should I say it?
Let's get to work.
Yeah!